My name is Spiros Doulis, and I am a U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service fish biologist at the Little White Salmon National Fish Hatchery. The hatchery has an important role in helping restore declining numbers of salmon returning to the Columbia River. We raise both spring and fall Chinook salmon to provide fish for a very popular sport and tribal fishery that occurs below the hatchery. Focusing harvest effort on a hatchery-produced stock of fish in a tributary stream allows harvest of hatchery fish while minimizing the impact to wild fish that migrate further up the Columbia River. Our fish are important to the local economy and serve as an important conservation tool. Work at a national fish hatchery requires an understanding of natural science and mathematics. These skills are very important for the work that we do. We also apply natural biological principles to our work. One important principle involves maintaining the genetic diversity of our hatchery fish. You'll notice how we only use one male to fertilize the eggs from one female fish. In fact, one male fish can fertilize the eggs of several females, but that is something we don't want to do. Using one male to fertilize several females biases your population for the genetic traits of that one particular male fish. Doing that over successive generations is not good. This leads to inbreeding and a lack of genetic diversity. Once this diversity is lost, the survival of the fish begins to decline. The U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service recognizes the importance of maintaining more than just the biological diversity of the fish we raise. It is also important to maintain the diversity of our workforce for the very same reasons I just described. Having workforce diversity, or should I say employees that embrace diversity, recognize the strength of our differences, and relate to the people of America, is critical to the survival of the service. We want to be sure we have the best people working for us where differences of thought are respected and encouraged. We want the best work teams realizing that everyone has something good to contribute to the team, and we want a team that reflects the diversity of America. That is so important since our customers are the American public. The U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service is the world's premier conservation organization. The work we do ensures that future generations of Americans can enjoy the greatness of our natural resources. To fulfill our mission, to help with the important work we do, we need the finest people to do the best job possible. I hope you'll consider a career with the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service and help make the Bureau the best place to work in America.